Hey Nash, what should we make?
Well, our friend sees the night requested spicy poutine, so let's make that.
All right, let's make spicy poutine. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen. Sorry for the little hiatus in videos, but I was dealing with a jacked up finger and a few other things, but we're back, so thanks for sticking around. Today, we have another request from our good friend Seize the Night. So, we're gonna head up north to the cold white Canada and make some poutine. Specifically, spicy poutine was the request. So, we're gonna make some poutine. We're gonna make it spicy. If you don't know, poutine is a staple Canadian dish. Are we gonna make it traditional? I have no idea. I'm just gonna make my take on it, and then we're gonna make it spicy. So, no offense to the Canadians if I screw up, but hey, I'll do my best. Without further ado, let's go. So, we start with a saucepan on medium heat, and we throw in about 6 tablespoons of butter. Well, not about 6 tablespoons, that is 6 tablespoons. And we're just gonna let this melt. Once our butter's melted, we wanna add a 1/4 cup of flour and whisk this in. You just wanna whisk, get out all the lumps. Once your roux, because that's what we just made, a roux, folks, has reached a nice golden brown color, then we're gonna add 20 ounces of beef broth and 10 ounces of chicken broth. And we're gonna whisk this all in. While we let this come to a boil, we'll just, ponder your place in the universe. Reminisce on decisions you've made in life. I don't know. We're just gonna wait till this comes to a boil. And once we've reached a nice rolling boil, make sure everything is nice and whisked up. And then I have this cornstarch slurry right here, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons water. I'm gonna add about half of it, whisk that in, let it thicken up a little bit. And then depending on how thick you want it, you can go ahead and add the rest. I want a nice thick gravy, so. Sorry, if you don't know what poutine is, what it is fries with gravy and cheese curds. Sounds simple, kinda is, but it's kinda delicious. So, I'm gonna give this a little bit of a taste. Tastes pretty good, but we're gonna give it a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we gotta make it spicy, so we're gonna add some cayenne. And I said spicy, so I don't wanna wuss out or anything. So I got some of this XXX, the last dab. This is made with Pepper X. It's the last hot sauce on Hot Ones, so it's like 2 million Scovilles or something. We're just gonna add a couple of dabs. Stir that in, give that another little taste. Oh yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. All right, turn the heat off on this. I want to keep it warm. Now we go make our fries. We could make fries from scratch. We've made fries from scratch, but I'm feeling kind of lazy and my finger's still kind of jacked up. So we're just gonna be lazy and use frozen fries. So this is the ones we're using. Not a sponsor or anything. I mean, whatever fries you want to get from the frozen section. So we'll load these up. We'll drop a bunch because that's how we do things around here. Just get the basket about half full. You don't want to overcrowd things here. We got our oil at 375. Just gonna drop these guys in and let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. And once our guys are done, let them drain off a little bit. Then we're just gonna put them on some paper towel. Spread those guys out a little bit. And then while they're still nice and hot, we're gonna hit them with a little bit of salt. And because our friend Seize the Night want them spicy, we're gonna give them a little dusting of cayenne as well. And then we do a few more batches until we have enough fries. All right, so we got our fries, we got our gravy, and we have our cheese curds. I got the garlic ones and some regular ones. So these are just cheddar cheese curds. I think cheese curds are the cheese that when they make the cheese, they get cheese curds, and that's the form they are in before they turn them into a block. Anyways, the more you know. We could probably just put these in a bowl, put some gravy on top, and then some cheese curds, or vice versa. Let me turn that off. That's annoying. But I kind of want a coating of gravy on the fries. So I'm gonna dump everything into this bowl here. Then just gonna spoon some of this gravy on these guys. Not a ton, I just want a little coating, and then we'll put more gravy on when we plate it. So that's good for now. And we'll just give these guys a little bit of a toss. And we'll throw some of these cheese curds on there. Some of these guys, I'm gonna break them up. I don't know what I'm doing. I just know these are the ingredients: fries, cheese curds, and gravy. If you couldn't find cheese curds, you could tear up a nice block of mozzarella. Just don't serve that to any Canadians, because they probably won't be too happy about it. And then we're gonna take a bowl. Yeah, well, we might as well just put it all in there. Got a few stragglers here. I made a mess over here. And we'll just do a few more cheese curds just to make it look pretty. That'll work. Gotta pay the cheese tax. And then just gonna do a little bit more gravy over this. It's not exactly a pretty dish, but whatever. We go for delicious, you know that. This is obviously not traditional, but most of this isn't. Just so there's no mistake that this is a spicy poutine, we're just gonna put some little pickled jalapenos over here. Make it look nice. There we go. And there we have our spicy poutine. Hope we made you happy, Seize the Night. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It's delicious. It's poutine. It's nice crispy fries. They get a little bit soggy, but these ones still held their crispness, which is good because that's what I wanted with that. Just delicious gravy and then the cheese curds. I mean, it's kind of a weird deconstructed kind of cheesy fries, but with gravy. It's freaking delicious and definitely has the heat. So hope that's what you're looking for, Seize the Night. Between that cayenne on the fries and in the gravy, plus that last dab sauce in the gravy, it definitely brings heat, but not so much heat that it's like you can't taste anything. So I'd say this is a huge winner. Definitely would recommend. If you like spice and you like poutine, you want to make something Canadian or pseudo-Canadian, because I have no idea how close to traditional or whatever that we just made. But either way, it's delicious and it's what I know. So yeah, 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey, bud, how you doing?
I'm good. Still haven't caught those birds, but I will.
Check it out. We got this spicy poutine that Seize the Night suggested. So here you go. What do you think?
Oh, wow, that's delicious. Spicy, cheesy fries covered in gravy.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today.
Nash approves, I approve. Spicy poutine, it's delicious. Go make it. Thank you so much, Seize the Night, for the recommendation. Really appreciate it. And thank you all for watching. Really appreciate you. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to subscribe, like, share, and comment, that'd help us out. Hit that bell for notifications. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. Or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.